Hi, I'm Allie with R-B.S.D. to show you how to properly install this calendar. As you can see here, the calendar comes in a cylinder-shaped container that prevents it from wrinkling. There's a specific technique to remove it from the tube properly. Make sure you grasp the edge of the calendar after removing the markers, eraser, and frames, and then rotate it inside of the packaging. As the rotation moves inward, gently pull the calendar out. Ta-da! The calendar will be a bit wavy at first, but it will straighten out when it's on the refrigerator. As you can see here, each marker has a magnet to make it easy to attach them onto your refrigerator, and there's an eraser at the other end for easy access. The markers are high quality and don't open easily to ensure safety for young children. To open and close the markers, simply turn and pull at the same time. Additionally, the eraser has a hidden magnet and will also attach to your refrigerator. The photo frames will be slightly wavy right out of the packaging, but they will straighten out immediately when you put them onto the fridge. If this video was useful to you, enjoy your product!